Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetrading.com. Today is August the 2nd, 4 p.m. Market is about to close. Week ended, so I'm making this weekly recap video. Weekly recap, trade setups that we had and then trades taken based on those setups. So let's get it started. So this is the first trade that you can see here. It's on the 28th July. Gold from 150 BS chart, long trade here. This is wave 1, 2, and wave 3. Target was 161, and it went straight up and hit the target, and I closed the trade. So this is the first one. The second one, Bitcoin, and both gold and Bitcoin is moving very, very, fantastic. And this is the entry, and from 67,772 to 69,532, July 29. July 29, yeah. And then on the 29, you can see gold. It dropped from there to here. I was not available to close it. And when I saw it was all the way back here. So it was a small trade, but something, right? And then on the 30th, you can see pound yen from 7-minute chart here. Beautiful entry here. And then it came down very close to my SL, but went up again for 140 pip. On the 29, Bitcoin again from here to here, nice and clean. Shorts trade. And this is euro yen 7-minute from 7-minute chart. From here, the entry and 70 pip buy orders right there. All the trades you will see according to the setup, nothing random. I have to have 4 conditions before my setup is completed, and then my alarm beeps, and then I take the trade. And this is USD yen from on the 30th from 7-minute chart, buy orders right there. This is on the 30th. CAD yen was getting weaker again, so and it went up big time here. All the yen pair went up, right? So on the 30th, pound yen again from 20-minute chart. That was the 7-minute chart, and then I have the 20-minute chart. I'm taking entries. Most of the trades I'm taking if available, then 20-minute and 7-minute both entries. And this is all the way for 165. This one is on the 30th USD yen again. Nice entry from here from 20-minute chart for 125. Now this one, US oil, sell orders right there, nice and clean, came down here. And on the 30th, a lot of trades on the 30th, right? So now yen switching the side, right? The news came out that they're going to raise the interest and all of that, and then yen all of a sudden start to get stronger. So all yen pair turned to the downside. So yen, USD, Aussie yen, the first 7-minute chart, 90 pip, sell orders right there. And on the 30th, pound yen started to drop and gave me this entry here for 60 pip. And this one is euro yen, also dropping here, all because of the yen strength. Came out after that news. And then pound yen, beautiful from here. Look at 225 pip. Beautiful by the book entry. And on the 30th here, NASDAQ coming down all the way. This one, S&P 500, all going down. Nikkei going down here. And this one, USD yen again for 85 pip on the 30th. See how many trades on the 30th. Now on the 31st, S&P went up. It was going to the upside for the retracement, and I caught this one from here to here. And Aussie yen again dropping for 140 pip on the 31st. And this is CAD yen. Look at that. Beautiful from 7-minute chart, 130 pip. And this one, gold going to the upside. This is the entry right there by the book, by the system. This was the entry, this was the entry, this was the entry, this was the entry, and this was the entry. All of these entries. You miss one, you have second, third, fourth, fifth, and something. You catch any of these entries, this one, this one, this one, this one, and then you take it all the way to, I took it to 2450, right? And this one here, go from 400 box size. It's like a 4-hour chart, right? Big. So wave 1, 2, my target was this, this, and this, and all of those came and reached very nicely, right? So we went all the way there, 2450. Gold 150 going to the upside from here, all the way there. This is from 150, same, right? This is from different chart, different time frame. I'm showing that, I was actually teaching and all that. So I took this trade just to show that, you know, you can use just like regular candle, Japanese candlestick, right? 4-hour chart, 15-minute chart, 5-minute chart. So with this setup, wherever you can find the entry, proper entry with the proper setup, and you open the trade, and this is how the results are, right? So from 400, from 200, and from 150 box size, I'm taking these entries. Now, this one, pound yen on the 31st, downside. Pound is just, since then, it's just, you know, getting stronger and stronger. Euro yen dropping here for 90 pip on the 31st. And then this one here, 85 pip on USD yen on the 31st. This one on the 31st, coming down, BitCoin all the way from here to here. Not much, you know, it came down here. So I was supposed to be closing here on the support, but it went up to this one, and then I closed it. Yeah, sometimes you miss, you know. So here, pound USD, it was like 3 or 4 days, you know, this one, and then Euro USD nowadays, they don't move much, right? So if you open the trade, you know, in the whole day, you hardly get 40, 50 pip. That's it, right? So I had this entry here, says, you know, let it go, because I was expecting that, you know, this thing's gonna drop, and it did, you know, 140 pip by the first. But the entry, if you can look at it, this is by almost like 25th, right? So and then it just stays there. I almost forgot about it. Right? A break, sitting on a break even, that's it. And then I realized that this is what happened here. On the first NASDAQ, all the way down here, from this to this is the entry. All the trades, you will see that the trade is alive, still sell order is right there. SL move to break even plus. Then this little arrow shows that most of the trade, 99% of these trades taken by my EA, the expert advisor robot, right? So that is helping me a lot, a lot. Before, I used to be like 8, maybe 10 trades in a week. Now around like 30, 35, even 40. Last week was 41 trades. Most of these trades are taken by the EA. You just put the EA on, and then with the analysis, definitely in the direction of the analysis. And then when, even if I'm sleeping or I'm out there doing something, if the setup is there, it opens the trade. And when I come back, I have a nice trade. On the 1st August, see this August 1st is pound yen going down from here, beautiful 180 pip here. And similarly, yesterday, 1st August, Aussie yen going down as well. And this one, CAD yen on the 1st going down as well, 85 pip. And this is USD yen, all yen pair. Yen is getting strong and then keep going down, taking all yen pair go to the downside. So this one here for 80 pip, sell orders right there. And on the second, again, the same dramas keep coming down. And then this was the entry here, boom, boom, and all the way down. This is after, I think it's NFP today, right? On the second NFP, thanks to NFP, 180 pip on CAD yen, right? And then mostly this one, USD yen, beautiful drop, retrace, entry. This was the entry as well. This was the entry as well, and then all the way to 260 pip. Right? And this one is US oil, went down from here to here, from $74 to 73. And last but not least is the Euro Aussie, went up a little bit for 70 pip. So these are the trades taken, almost like maybe 35, 36 trades this week, right? Mostly taken by the EA, right? All I have to do is do my analysis and then put the analysis, EA on those charts in the direction of the analysis, and you're long only or short only or whatever. And when the volume time comes, of course, not all the time. And when the volume time comes and the London's open, I put the EA, and then that's it. And I'm doing my work, and then trades are opening and closing, automatically. Not closing, if SL need to hit, yes, of course, SL is always 25 pip. Whenever this robot open the trade, SL is hard SL, 25 pip, no matter what. On the 20-minute chart, 7-minute chart is only 15 pip. Right. So if my entry is wrong, I lose maximum 25 pip. But if I'm right, you just saw how many pip it is. 260 pip, 180 pip, 150, something like that. This is how the system is, right? Some of my analysis, let me show you that, how things are going, how things are moving. For example, gold, right? I made this chart on the 24th July after, I've been tracking for all along, but this one lately, a couple of weeks ago, it was wave one, two, and I said it's going to go to the upside. And as of today, I think not even today, 31st, it was all the way here. Keep going up nice and clean, right? And I'm taking my long trades. You saw already. Similarly, Bitcoin, I made the chart like, for example, here on the 9th July, right? That if it stays above from here. So it went up and hit this TL. Let me show you. And then I made the chart that, okay, this could be wave one, so we're going to drop into this area for wave two, right? This is the chart I made and I posted different places on my, like Telegram for my subscribers here, my website, Forex Factory and all that. So after that, it's supposed to be coming down here into 50 or 38% of this drop into this area for wave two. And look what happened as of today. It is right there between hitting that 50% already, right? So I'm watching this area now. 62,821 is a very hard area now. Maybe let's see what happened. Here we go. This thing opened the trade automatically. I didn't know that it has that thing open. You see that? See it opened the trade here, sell, which I'm gonna close because I don't like to do the trading now. I'm gonna close it because see this SL trade is open and SL is placed already just now, and then it's beeping. The alarm is beeping as well, right? This is how the system is. Let me just show you this entry here, right there. See that? This is how it just got open in front of you, right? This is the EA that opened. I just stopped it for trading. So it not only opened the trade, but it beats also, right? But I don't want it because the Friday is very dangerous. I'm going to close it and bye, right? It was a little bit of profit, right? So this, no big deal. But it might drop a little bit more, might not. But Friday is very shaky and NFE is already done. So I don't want to take more chances, right? So this is how it is. And yeah, it is all the way down here, right? It may go down to 38%. Yes, right? But I don't want it. I just want to close everything and then relax a little bit, right? And get ready for the next week. Shut up, man. Let me just take that thing off because it's going to keep bothering me here. Get out. All right. So this is how it is. Good thing that it opened the trade because you just saw how it opens the trade, right? So this is what happens. I'm doing something else. I'm doing one-on-one or teaching and this and that, or out there or sleeping, whatever. And I kill my sound, but the trade opens like this and SL is placed like this. Just like you saw the trade was open here and SL was right there. So if it's a wrong entry, it will go and hit my SL. If it is the right one, it drops. When I wake up, I see it says, So I move the trade. After 25, 30 pip, the SL comes and break even automatically. That's how my EA robot is made. All right, so this is it for now. And if you like what you saw, you want to be a part of it, then you can go on my website here and subscribe, or you want to learn from scratch, one-on-one courses right there. Harmonic pattern and Elliott wave courses are here. Robots are there. And also don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel, right? So I'm going to post some good, decent trade setups for the next week. Gold, Bitcoin, and all of that, right? So you can take advantage of it. And if you want my system and that, the robot and all of that, makes life much easier, then, like I said, that come on my website here, right? CreativeTradingSystem.com and see which one you want. And if you want to have some words with me, then you can email me. We can have a Zoom meeting and I'll explain you how it is, what it is, and how it works. In the meantime, if you want to try my Telegram, for week to week, you can join here. Send me the email or username of your Telegram. Then my son will add you in there, so you can see what is happening there and whatnot. That's my Telegram right there. I post heads up and setup, like for example this one, or trades taken, entries are taken, videos I made, and I post to update all the subscribers. Okay, so this is it for now. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. Okay, so talk to you guys later.